Firstly, we'll talk about access control and why access control is important to our farm. Know that access control will help us to limit who comes onto our farms. That means less people, less risk to our farm. The important thing in biosecurity to remember is that we need to make sure that the fence is always maintained and the gates are always closed, and always make sure that we have a signage to direct people which are coming into the farm so that they know that they are entering a restricted area. That's a biosecurity area where they will get into so that they can prepare themselves to be disinfect their boots or even their vehicles. When they come, they need to go through the foot bath or sprayed or disinfected with sprays on their wheels. And people, when entering, they need to come into the farm with protective clothing which is clean and went through a foot bath and washing the hands before they can even enter the farm, and where possible they can even wear gloves. Remember that all visitors which are coming into the farm, they need to be registered their names, and as to when they came, what is their name and what is the purpose of their visit. This will help us if they came in contact with animals. And when we say contact with animals, this also include going to an auction. So we are not only restricted to touching the animals. Their movement, their movement to the animals is important to us to know if they came from the farm or from where the animals were kept. So if we have a case or any disease in our farm, we can call those people and tell them that we have this disease. Please make sure that we don't spread it further to other farmers through our visitor register book. In the farm, we need to make sure that also the animals and the trucks which comes into the farm, they don't cross the path, because those trucks, we don't know where they have been. They can bring diseases into our farm which can now be transmitted to our animals, and we'll be having a disease in our farm. So access control will also help us to make sure that our farm is intact.